who is present everywhere. I have a lot of friends and some of them practice different faiths. A few of them worship Jesus, some Allah, some Vairu, and some worship Bhagwan. What I believe is that though they have different names, they are all Ishwar, the Supreme One. Ishwar is omnipresent. This entire universe is created and managed by Him. He made the sun, moon, earth, me and you. The one who follows the right path enjoys His bliss. He alone provides the sustenance and bliss. He is the source of knowledge and activities. We can feel Ishwar through our mind. We can hear Him through our inner voice. Ishwar or God means love. He is very powerful and knows everything. With all different religions around the world, each believe in love and peace. God teaches us to be kind, love each other. Ishwar wants bliss for souls and wants them to achieve through good deeds. I would like to summarize by saying that God or Ishwar exists. He is formless but very powerful. He is kind. He is infinite. He is omnipresent. He creates and maintains the entire universe. He knows everything, and most importantly, He loves all you and me. Thank you.